Today's outboard motors are more efficient, more complex, more powerful, and a lot more fun than they have ever been before. But they also cost a lot of money, which is why Rapid Marine wants to help you protect your investment. They recommend every year one crucial item. Bring this thing in and get it winterized. Their certified technician will go through and change the oil, your filter, your gear case lubricant, and they're gonna add stabilizer to your fuel. But there are two other items that they strongly recommend that you add to your calendar. Here's the first. Mercury recommends that owners replace spark plugs every 3 years or 300 hours. Rough starting, loss of power, or engine hesitations are all signs that your spark plugs need to be replaced. The other biggie is your motor's water pump, otherwise called an impeller. Techs here say that a lot of people wait until this thing becomes an issue before they bring it in to get it fixed. Instead, consider changing this rubber component as part of your normal maintenance schedule. Maintenance is a huge part of owning a motor. Consider these items and it's going to help you run a lot smoother on the water.